We're going to inject Botox in this, in the forehead and also in the area in between the eyes here.
Xeomin.
And we, of course, is Botox Xeomin. And
Is that just another brand name?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it's a competitor, and in my opinion, it's much better than Botox for many reasons. But we'll discuss about this later. So,
Talk about it now.
well, let me concentrate first on what we
Okay.
want to do. So you're going to feel a little bit of pressure here, and a little bit of the, okay, and how was the first shot? Very painful?
Have you taken any NSAIDs?
Or take any medications like aspirin or Advil or
Well, I do for my
for migraine? Okay, so
for
what about
headaches
pain? Yeah.
and for neck pain, but
So
just
when
like
did
the
it-
acetaminophen.
Okay, that's good. Alright, and another one is going to be here. Alright. And we're going to inject one more here. Beautiful. And now if you want to look up,
Let me
make
look
like,
up.
yeah, like you're surprised. Oh yeah, like this. I love this.
That needle is very little. You can hardly feel it.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
nice.
I told you. Yeah. I call this the Gucci needle.
Are you in the lateral tail of the frontalis? Is that where you were?
Here, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Am I supposed to still be doing this?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. That was great.
Will help me to see where I want to inject. This
Okay.
is why. Alright. And let's do once again. Up. Yeah. Alright, and once again up. Yeah, she's a bleeder, this girl.
That's my body telling me no.
Yeah. Alright.
These are really cute.
Thank you.
Little booty shoes.
Alright. So how was the experience so far?
It's fine.
Not painful like you were afraid of?
No.
Alright.
I always am more afraid than something always is.
Do you?
Yeah.
And just look this way, please. We want to do something different here. Want to give an elevation of the tail of the eyebrow.
Yeah, this eyebrow is lower.
Well,
I tried to make it.
probably in a few days it's going to be a little bit higher. And do again up. Right. And guess what? We're done.
Oh my gosh.
How was the feeling?
Fine. Would you mind if I
Yes.
watch her get hers done so I can see what it is?
To watch what?
She said she's going to get something done.
Oh yeah, sure. So that's all.
Good.
Yeah.